Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Do you like candles? Do you hate pool noodles and have an excess of them?
Oh, excess.
Yeah.
They said access. Do you have access to pool noodles? Tell me, because these were hard to find. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a spooky Halloween crafty thing. I feel like everybody's been doing this. I feel like I've been seeing literally everybody on TikTok, on Pinterest, on Instagram. Everybody has been talking about this craft, and honestly, I just discovered it this year, so I don't know if it's probably been a thing already for a while. So we're gonna be making giant, I guess giant candles, like giant black candles with pool noodles. Again, I don't know who the original person was that created this idea. If you know who the original person was, you can put it in the comments, but I saw this on Pinterest first, and then I saw it on friggin' TikTok and Instagram. So anyway, also, if you're gonna be doing this idea, I would go out and get pool noodles immediately. Immediately. Do not waste another second. Go get pool noodles and then come back and watch this video, because these were really hard to find. Yeah. At least in my area, they don't have pool noodles everywhere, especially right now. So we got these trays, and I think this is gonna be the base of it. Cut the pool noodles and prepare them to be glued. You're also gonna need a hot glue gun. We've got some skulls to also add to this project. I think this is gonna be amazing. Oh, I also bought some black roses to add to this. I don't know if that'll look good. I just thought it could be cool to fill in the space. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell how big this is, like compared to my head, but I want to make a huge one. Like I want it to be very large. So anyway, here are my black roses. I got them from Amazon. I'll link everything down in the description that I can. So we're gonna get started on cutting these noodles. I'm cutting. You ready?
Sure.
Oh, it's so satisfying. Ta-da!
Yay!
First candle. I feel like it kind of looks cool slanted. That is satisfying.
And then you have another one there. That's like perfect.
Perfect. Wow. So we have a few ready. Oh my god, it already, like in the viewfinder, it already kind of looks like candles. I really like the slant. I feel like it looks really cool. Almost gives it, they almost look spooky. They almost look like, what's that, I'm gonna say instrument, but it's like a big piano organ.
Yeah.
Don't organs have candles that kind of slant like that?
Maybe, yeah.
Here's a big chunker.
I was gonna say, you might want to get like one of the tallest ones out of the way.
Timber.
Timber.
Let go!
Wow.
What do you think?
A skyscraper.
Hey, don't say that.
Like
it looks great. You guys can't even see the top of this. It's the extension of my arm. This is gonna be so cool. Oh my god, it looks so cool in the view. I feel like I don't know. I don't know if they're viewing it the same way as me. I zoomed you guys out so you guys, it looks so big. I love it so far. Yeah. This is what I was going for though. Yeah. I wanted it to be kind of ridiculous. Yeah. We overbought on the noodles, okay?
We overbought on the noodles.
And it's fine.
Well, keep in mind, flowers and skulls. Your tits. I don't think that's a bad idea.
What do we think so far?
It's looking good.
I love it.
So we have, I'm not even gonna move it because whenever I touch it, they all start to like fall apart. So the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna take each one by one, and we're gonna cut at the very top a bigger hole so that the like little tea light can fit in there better. And I mean, I don't have to like cut it so that it's kind of flush with it. but I want to, so I'm gonna. So I think I am gonna do that. I'm gonna cut them so that the tea light will be able to be like flush with the angle of the pool noodle. So we're gonna go through all of these pool noodles and cut a hole for them. So carefully. Careful. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Alright, so once I've got it outlined, I kind of just go in at like an angle, kind of like scraping it out. Obviously, no one's going to see the inside of this, so it really doesn't matter what it looks like. There, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
4 down. 12 more.
We're 25% of the way through.
Hey.
Hey.
Perspective. Okay, so I have cut out all of the centers for these friggin' tea lights to fit in here, and we're ready to glue them down. So I'm probably just gonna put some hot glue all along the bottom here. Ooh. And glue it down. Why do we say it that way?
Because it's correct.
No, it's not. Listen, I say Reese's Pieces. Sorry, I do. But I'm also aware that it is incorrect, right? It has to be incorrect, unless that's just the candy name. Do you know what I mean? Like, if it's the candy name, then it doesn't matter what the correct, like, grammatically correct way to say it is. I bet everyone's gonna be like, why are you adding so much glue? Okay, so I think all of them are glued down to the base of it. Oh, wowie wow. Okay,
Wow.
so I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm probably going to, where they kind of like meet up, I'm gonna glue them together so that way they're kind of like one big happy family of pool noodles. Okay, so they are all glued together, glued to the base, like they're not going anywhere. That's kind of the craziest looking shot.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're not going anywhere. They're all glued together, they're glued to the base. So what we're gonna do now is do the drippies to make it look like the wax is melting from these candles. I'm losing my mind to hot glue. Glue. Glue drippies. Crazy for the glue. Don't look at me! There's just glue everywhere. Is there glue on me?
I don't see anything.
Last one.
Last candle.
Okay. 3 million years later, we have the glue drippies completely drippied. Look at that. Look how perfect. Does that not actually look like candles?
It does.
We're going to probably just give it like a couple of minutes to make sure all the drippies are completely dry. And then we're gonna take it outside and spray it. Do you even see it? Let me like push it closer to you. Can you even? Do you even? Who came up with this? I need to know. I love them because this is the coolest thing.
Yeah.
I literally cannot.
Yeah.
It looks like candles, you guys. I did choose a matte black spray paint. It's not, I mean, maybe it's not completely dry. We gave it like an hour to dry. It's kind of like a satin. It really do be looking like candles.
It do be.
Anyway, what we're gonna do now is I have some black roses that I want to kind of glue on there and fill in some empty spaces. And then we've also got some little plastic skulls. I was kind of mapping out what it's gonna look like and like where I want things. Shut up! Shut up! Okay, so anyway, we're gonna get started on doing the final stunning details on this enormous candle thing. I'm obsessed with it! Okay, you guys, I feel like I don't even need to say this. I don't even need to say it. Because you already know, and we're all thinking the same exact thing. This is amazing. It's incredible. Like, you need to do this. Like, what do you do? Like, I mean, finish this video first, but like, go and do this. It's a lot of glue. It's a lot of hot glue everywhere. So anyway, you guys need to do this. If you're interested in doing it, do it. Because it's worth. Even if you don't make it like 3 feet tall like we did, you can make it any size that you want. This was amazing, and I love this so much, and I'm gonna stop saying that. Probably not, actually. That was a big fat lie.
Yeah, you're not gonna do that.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you do this, tag me on Instagram. I want to see it. I want to see everyone's different vibes. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram and literally everywhere. It is at Artsymadwoman. I don't know where I'm putting it. I love you guys. to absolute death. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.